Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the .then method in the promise object. So what this method does is return a promise, and it takes up to two arguments and then call function for the success or the failure of the cases of promise, so the shortly resolving the promise, you can say that. So what we need to do is create a promise and name it as promise 1, something like that, and equals, you use the new operator, use the promise, the promise, and then inside that what we're gonna do is resolve the promise by saying success, and then what we're gonna do is we will use the promise1 dot then method, and inside that we will pass the value. Keep a note that I'm using the L function, so that's why I'm not typing here a function. So, and now what we're gonna do is log it on a console, the value, so value, and if I do that, it's gonna give you success because we're using then, because of what happens after then. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.